Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and today we have our first episode of Artist of the Month where I will be featuring your artwork. To participate, make sure to follow me on Instagram and join the official Facebook group I made for your art. Every month I will announce a topic and select the Artist of the Month, up to 6 people each month. To learn this month's topic, wait till the end of the video. Also, if you make a manga or a webcomic, you automatically get a shout out, so keep sending those links. Only rule is the same people cannot be featured every month, so that everyone can get an equal chance to participate. If you are selected, you can reapply 2 months after you have been selected. For example, if you're chosen in January, you can apply again in March. You can still participate in the challenges. I tend to mention all entries anyway next to the chosen ones. Usually you can submit your art from the 1st till the 25th of each month, after which I will do a story shoutout on Instagram and make a video for you. For Instagram, send me your art link in a DM so I don't lose any art. If I forget someone, I'm very sorry. Please let me know and I will additionally feature you next time. Now let's see this month's artists. First artist I had to talk about was the stunning art piece by Sadic Star on DeviantArt, who created an androgynous looking Star Guardian character and did it with pencils. Of course, I can see that there was some slight color adjustments digitally done, but still this piece blew my mind. You can follow this artist on DeviantArt. I will be leaving links down below. Another amazing art piece came from the Art Vampire on Instagram. I believe she used some Copic markers or alcohol-based markers and dripped some alcohol on top to create this amazing space texture. Great work, and please follow her on Instagram as well. And here we have some amazing digital artwork made by Lori Thomas, who I had a pleasure to realize was an aspiring young YouTuber under the name of Zetria, so make sure to follow her channel and be updated on her weekly videos. And number 4 of the Artist of the Month of January is this amazing watercolor piece by Rocio Flores. If you guys want me to feature your art channel or art gallery or a link, please include it in your submission every month for the topic so that I can do a shout out for you. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you missed this topic, no worries. Next month's topic is the power of music. And also remember, every art technique or art style is allowed. So happy creating! I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.